Certified nursing assistants, you are the backbone of care in Indiana. You provide comfort, support, and dignity to our elderly. Your role is vital. You build connections that matter. Families trust you. Residents rely on you. Your dedication makes a world of difference. This guide will equip you to be the best CNA you can be. Aging can be complex. Memory fades, bodies slow down, frustration arises. As a CNA, understanding these changes is key. Repetitive questions aren't meant to annoy. They signal a need for reassurance. Slowness in tasks isn't laziness, but a physical limitation. Confusion isn't defiance, but a fading grasp on reality. These behaviors are not personal attacks. They are cries for patience and empathy. Patience is your most valuable tool. It's the bridge between frustration and connection. It transforms a challenging situation into a moment of grace. Picture a resident struggling with a button. Your irritation won't help. Your patience will. Offer a gentle hand and a kind word. Patience isn't just about waiting, it's about understanding. It's about seeing the person behind the behavior. Section 4. Navigating daily challenges with grace. Spills happen. Toileting accidents occur. These are part of the job, not personal failures. Approach them with calm professionalism. Clean the mess without complaint. Preserve the residents' dignity. Remember, they don't want these accidents any more than you do. Your reaction shapes their experience. A calm demeanor can turn a negative experience into a moment of comfort and reassurance. Section 5. Compassion in action, mealtimes and more. Mealtimes can be challenging. Some residents eat slowly, others make messes, some refuse to eat at all. Avoid reprimands. Instead, offer encouragement. Focus on making mealtime enjoyable. Engage in conversation. Celebrate small victories. The same applies to other activities. Encourage participation, but respect limitations. Celebrate effort, not just outcome. Your compassion can make all the difference. Section 6. The mark of an exceptional CNA. The best CNAs embody patience and compassion. They understand the challenges of aging. They see beyond the behavior to the person beneath. They treat residents with dignity and respect, no matter the situation. They approach challenges with grace and understanding. They find joy in small moments of connection. These CNAs are the heart of Indiana healthcare. They make a difference. One resident, one interaction, one moment of kindness at a time.